Well, Shiloh knows how to taunt her, that's for sure.
Yes, she does.
I'm still so impressed at how Stella can keep up.
Yes, she did. That's
Maybe if I just sit on you and squish you.
Stella's like, all I care about is that toy. I just want that toy.
She's on top.
Oh, they're snuggling.
Ah, that's funny.
I'm waiting for Shiloh to like start humping her or something.
I don't know. She's been fixed. I don't know if that's going to happen. She used to hump her bunny rabbit. She hasn't done that, though, since she got...
So...